Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to do the Fuel Keg propane tank refill kit. Okay, and the kit comes with your valve, these three feet for the tank, and you'll have these thumb screws. And what we're filling is the Fuel Keg refillable propane tank. Now, the first thing that I noticed is they have this pin on here and it says that it only works with the Fuel Keg 1 pound refillable propane tanks. The tank has, you see this little notch right here, and that lines up with this pin, and they do that so that you can't fill up or refill the 1 pound this is a Burns-O-Matic tank, but you can't refill these tanks. Says it only works with the Fuel Keg tanks. Okay, so I got my scale up here. Okay, so we're gonna put this on. This is empty. We're gonna see what it weighs. £1 pound, 12 and 3/4 ounces. So I have two of these tanks. So we just weighed this one. So let's see what this one comes out. Now this one shows 1 pound, 13 1/4 ounces. And the other is 12.75, 12 1/2. Okay, well, let's try to fill them up. We're just going to fill one so we can tell how much propane we got in the tank. Okay, so I have the feed on. I'm going to go ahead and flip the tank over. Okay, we have the pin, and then we also have the pin on here. So we're going to line those up. Don't want to cross thread it, and don't spin the tank because you'll break that little pin off. Okay, so now we have our tank, we have our filler, and we have our fuel keg. Okay, before you start filling, you want to take this valve, it's got this key ring on it, turn it to the left all the way, and you see that, see how that opens up. Sorry about that. So see how that little notch, and then we're going to wait till we see liquid propane steadily coming out of here. That's how we know it's full. Okay, so I'm going to put my safety glasses on. Always wear some safety glasses. If it's I should be okay with this, because if it was something delicate where I had to read, well, then I kind of got a choice. Do I want to see, or do I want to be safe? Okay, so our valve down here is open, so I'm gonna push it, and I'm gonna grab the camera, swing this around so you can see, because we want to see the propane coming out of here. Okay, I can hear it. This is exciting, isn't it? steady stream. And I'll shut that off. And now let's weigh it and see how much it weighs. Okay, I apologize for the break in the action. My battery died on the GoPro. Okay, so we got it filled. We're gonna put it on the scale. It was what, 1 pound 12 ounces and a half. So let's see how much we got. We got over a pound. Just by a couple ounces, because we only want to fill this to 80%. So, all right. Well, that works pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do the next one. So, yeah, let's fill the other one. Okay, I did turn the valve off before. Tighten this up. Remember, don't turn the bottle. Open our little safety valve. Put our gloves on. I got my glasses on. And this should take about a minute. I'm sure you can hear the air that's escaping. I honestly had no idea it was this easy. They do say use a steady platform. I'm just using the tailgate of my truck. It hasn't blown over yet, so I think it's pretty sturdy. And do it outside. Don't do it in a confined space. Don't do where there's any electrical sources, you know, any flames or electric heater or anything like that. Okay, should be getting pretty close. That's here starting. So when you get that steady stream, that means it's at 80%. Okay, close your valve. Okay, I'm going to shut this off and we're going to put this on the scale. So there you have it in about 5 minutes with the setup, putting the legs on, putting this on, filling it. Honestly, it took me longer to find the 9-volt battery to go in my scale. Okay, so I'll leave a link in the description for both of these. You know, with camping season coming up, I think it's going to be pretty helpful. So I think it's going to be nice. So, all right, thanks for watching. As always, I appreciate it. And like I said, check out the link in the description. We'll see you on the next one. Oh, don't forget to replace the cap. And like it says on there, don't use if it's rusted. Don't use if it's, you know, dented and beat up and all that. So all the instructions are on the tank, and the instructions for the Fuel Keg is right here. I do have a couple of those Flame King bottles, and it does not work on this. So it only works with the 1 pound refillable.